Grimsby. A great marketplace there with a beautiful harbor. But the only problem is, you gotta traverse the sandbar. Many a ship has floundered on the sandbar. It only takes the hardiest of crews to make it over the Dogger Bank.
Or us. How would we make it then?
Sailing over the Dogger Bank, now wasn't that a treat?
No!
The wind blowing east or east, you had to raise a sheet. You had to see some rally, the wind blowing free. On the passage from the Dogger Bank, great winds speed.
Watch ya! Sailor, she's a proper Jew. Give her a sheet and let her rip, the boys will pull it through. You wanna see us rally, the wind blowing free.
On the passage from the Dogger Bank, great winds speed.
Captain, he's a shagaroos. He loves to fight the veil. Our mate is a rogue who knows the wind in every gale. Our mate is a bushman, comes from the African Isle. And take a look at our old cook, at times a bugger wild.
Watch ya! Sailor, she's a proper Jew. Give her a sheet and let her rip, the boys will pull it through. You wanna see us rally, the wind blowing free. On passage from the Dogger Bank to Great Grimsby. Watch ya, twigger, as down the street she came. High heels and painted toes, Jenny's on the game. Jenny's one of your flash girls, and she kinda shine. She does the double shuffle on the knickerbocker line. Watch ya, later she's a proper Jew. Give her a sheet and let her rip, the boys will pull it through. You wanna see us rally, the wind blowing free. Passage from the Dogger Bank to Great Grimsby. She's a proper Jew. Give her a sheet and let her rip, the boys will pull it through. You wanna see us rally, the wind blowing free. A passage from the Dogger Bank to Great Grimsby. Watch her, twigger, she's a proper Jew. Give her a sheet and let her rip, the boys will pull it through.